Sick as fuck, sick enough to walk up and smack Hillary Duff. I ain't got time for you faggots, so suck my dick. Did I just say faggot? Yeah. Good, cause that's what I meant. I ain't got a cent in my pocket, not even some lint. So don't be surprised that I live in a tent. Bitch, don't even try and act innocent. We all know you was 16 and pregnant, while your boyfriend's being booked in on evidence that places him in the scene of the crime. Guess we won't go out and rob a liquor store next time. Thinking twice is just bad advice. Take it from me, just live your life carefree. Be as free as a bird in a tree, till one day you get shot down in the streets and probably bleed to death as your heart ceases to beat. And the circle of life continues to repeat.
So take my advice.
Yeah, take my advice, man.
And just live your life.
Just live your life.
Take it from me.
Take it from me.
You don't wanna be
Nah, you don't wanna be.
in the penitentiary before you're even 18.
Don't want that.
So take my advice.
Take my advice.
And just live your life.
Just live it. I started smoking cigarettes at age 13. 2 years later, I was introduced to Mary Jane, and she's the only thing that gets me on the plane. I'm scared. Not a high tip of Saddam Hussein. But I thought you said you was sick in your brain. I just don't want y'all to mix up my name. Already got enough trouble for hitting my bitch. Last thing I need is accused of being a terrorist. I walk around in the days, blaze off purple haze. Try to grab a cop's gun, turn around and run and got mazed. I'm the type of kid from kindergarten who eats pace. So take it from me and do as I say. You don't wanna be 18 in the 8th grade.
So take my advice.
Y'all just take my advice.
And just live your life.
Just live your life. However you want it.
Take it from me.
Take it from me.
You don't wanna be
Don't wanna be.
in the penitentiary before you're even 18.
Don't want that.
So take my advice and just live your life.
Just live it. At first I thought of not writing another verse, but it's already twisted plot. Like if I said I just fisted my girlfriend's flight, you'd probably go off your rocker and accuse me of smoking rock. I just went and bought off a cop. So I sit down and think of some more. Already wrote 25 bars, why not another 4? Or maybe 6, or maybe until you finally get sick of this fucking ignorant track that I just mixed. It's the liquor that's taking me over, or maybe it's this fucking chip on my shoulder making my motor skills doper. Which is it? It is which? Well, it is this lucid that's making me so motherfucking stupid.